reach a certain point in your life, there are people out there who sit, waiting, wanting to see you fall. But rather than let gravity take you down, sometimes you have to take matters into your own hands and fly. This was me. My pants were like this, guys. Normal. Normal. And he said to me, you can't let the pants wear you. You gotta wear the pants. That's when I started sagging.
That's true. Hey,
and that's your fault.
No, listen, I will tell you one thing, though. I've lost a pair of pants, bro, walking.
You have?
I've lost a pair of pants walking.
No.
And it's not like, you know, like you're out at a bookstore just browsing the nonfiction section.
Yeah.
And your pants are a little bit low. I'm just saying that one day, just be careful, bro, because I've lost a pair of pants.
Okay, I'm just saying.
You
were the one that said, hey, don't let the pants wear you, wear the pants.
That's right.
That's why.
But, hey, wear them, though.
Yeah, wear them.
When they're on the ground, bro,